I'm going to share an NFT trading strategy with you guys that has worked awesome for me. It's allowed me to stack a ton of Ethereum. You guys could use the same strategy to trade NFTs or to buy any NFT you're looking at for generally cheaper prices. Let's get right into it. For checking out the channel. Every day we put out a new video about cryptocurrency education, markets, giveaways, and more. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any content. Now let's go to the moon. So the strategy is called floor sniping. We want to bid cheaper than the floor price and then actually list it for floor or hold it for larger gains. So I actually flipped this one 2 days ago. I call it floor sniping, and anybody coming into a market, generally they just market buy. If you're looking at stocks, if you're looking at cryptocurrency coins, NFTs, they go to the ask price, so whatever it's listed for, and they just buy it. People don't make offers. People don't even try to negotiate for a better price. If you're looking at any NFT, make an offer instead of simply just purchasing it, and you can save some money because more than likely they will accept a reasonable offer. This one I actually paid the lowest in the entire set, and I got it for 7 Ethereum. I sold it for probably within the hour after for 11.75. I cleared 3.8 Ethereum after fees, and then it jumped to 20 ETH, sitting at a 13.5 ETH floor right now. I still think this is great to floor snipe. And you could do it at any price level, and you could do it at any level of expertise that you're at. So my friend just started NFT trading, and he sniped this Metacard for 5 Ethereum. If you look at the price of the Metacards right now, they're at 12 ETH. So he cleared 7 Ethereum if he sells it right now in a week. So if you see these here right now as well, 11.99, I can go ahead and put an offer. We always want to, pay 20, 30, even 40% cheaper than the floor. And you can go ahead and make an offer right here. All you need to do is have wrapped Ethereum. The beauty of having wrapped Ethereum as well is, one, you're not paying the gas fees either. And two, you can put an offer that expires in any time you want, 7 days, 3 days, a month. So these ones are going for 12 ETH. I believe, I have an offer here for 8.5. So I'll give him a little bit more. I'll do 8.6, and then I can list it for 12 myself and clear 1 or 2 ETH just like that. I'll give it a day in terms of length, and then you can see my offer. All you have to do is just sign to verify. You're not paying gas. You can put in 1,000 offers a day. So you have my offer right here. It's going to expire in a day, and I want this Metacard, and then I'll just list it. So if we look at other floors, like some reputable ones or the blue chip ones like Bored Ape Yacht Club, you can see the same thing happen. If you have hundreds of Ethereum, you can bid and make more Ethereum on higher price sets like this. Or if you have just small amounts of Ethereum, which I'll show you, you can also do the same thing and stack those trades up. Stack that Ethereum up and start working your way to higher floors. And you get that big win, and it'll really pay off. NFT, the volume is just crazy. So if we look at the last few sales, you can see the floor was 99. This guy sniped 88. But I saw another one, right here, for 83 Ethereum. He has it listed at 106 ETH already and has an offer for 94. If he decided just to sell it for the floor 99, he would clear about 13 Ethereum after the fees that Opensea charges. And that's pretty awesome for less than a few days or less than a week, clearing 13 ETH on, just one quick NFT sale. Let's look at more examples. If I go back to the Metacards, a lot of people get lucky with these snipes, and I've seen some crazy snipes, and they're just relisted right after for some profit. So the floor was about 2.2. This is 1.6. You can resell this, clear like a quick 0.4 ETH. I saw another one as well. So people could just keep going and just bidding on as many NFTs as you want. It is tedious. It is time consuming, but you're making money. There's no other place where you can just flip an NFT and make thousands of dollars. I like to look at the top collections over the last 7 days. I want to make sure that they have volume. If we go to rankings, if you have a little bit of Ethereum, you can change the floor price so it's starting at low. And then let's take a look at some projects that has decent volume and at and the floor's sitting at so 1.7 trillionaire thugs. I've seen that all over the place. 1.6999 trillionaire thugs, 7.8k items, 4k owners. That's pretty decent. And okay, they haven't had their reveal yet. So if we go to the floor, you can see that it's pretty much 1.7 Ethereum. If we look at the last sales, 1.2. So that was an hour ago. And this guy, with the fees he's going to have to pay, he cleared 0.5, half an Ethereum. Let's keep looking. And 1.1, this guy cleared 0.6. So that's 1 Ethereum if it's the same buyer. And you could just keep doing the same thing. So this guy almost doubled his portfolio. If he's offering 1.1, he made P6, P5. He just doubled what he had, and he can move to a higher floor. So if we go back to Opensea, and then if we're setting a floor with like 14, that's kind of what I'm bidding at. I'm bidding 9, 10, 11. And then listing for the same price, 14, or just slightly under. So this one's 14.4. You can see that there's a bid right now at 9.9. So let me bid 10. And I'm going to leave this for an hour actually. So I'll do 1 p.m. And you can see I'll make my offer. And if I get it, the floor is 14.4. So you can see my offer is 10. And by me, 31% because the floor is 14.4. I'll list it for 13.9 or 14 right away and try to clear 2 or 3 ETH. And like I said, it's time consuming, but it's very profitable. So I go to, NFT sets that I'm familiar with. So like Flyfish, for example, if we look at some of the ones sold, I saw a crazy one, 3 Ethereum. I mean, it's not that crazy, but the floor is like at 5 ETH now. So just made a quick 2 Ethereum. And you just honestly have to be familiar with the sets, the volume, and just how popular these NFTs are. You don't want to be like bidding on a scam project as well. So I look at solid projects with solid volume, with solid holders, and then I just start bidding. And like, if you're really at it, I don't have that much time, but if you're really going at it, you can hit an NFT a day. So depending on the amount of volume or Ethereum you're using, that could be an ETH or 2 or 3 a day. And that's very profitable. You may as well take like the most advantage as you can of this market and extract as much Ethereum as you can. So that's pretty much it for the strategy. If you have any questions, post them below. I also like to do this right after secondary because that's where paper hands just drop the NFTs. The floor hasn't been set. The change of hands of those NFTs hasn't happened. It's going from like weak hands to profit takers to actual holders. So on secondary, for example, like Cool Cat Pets, when they finish their public, then you could probably see the like dumpers, the profit takers, the weak hands, they get transferred to real holders, and then the price starts to really go up, and you might get lucky and get a rare. So if you snipe one under floor and then you end up getting a rare, you hold it till the reveal, it's just a major win. So hopefully you guys had got some value from this video. If you have any questions, post them below. I'll keep sharing strategies, tools, and everything that I'm using to make money in the NFT market. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.